Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video again it's a little bit different. I had a lot of problems with the audio on this video. So you've got voice over me with my cheap and nasty microphone plugged into my phone. So I'm trying to do a few things to the car for winter. One of the things that needed doing was changing the wiper blades. The wiper blades fitted to the car have been on there probably for about 16 months. And usually I change them every year because, as I say, they're only pounds to buy. I think I bought this complete set off of eBay for about £12.45 including delivery. They used to be branded makes that I would always buy, like Bosch or something similar, but for the moment these were just whatever ones I could find. So in this part you can see I've removed the rear one. That's the new blade. And it's a very simple clip system that you would have seen in an earlier video that I produced. And as you will see, one click, just make it sure it's on, and yeah, bit of pressure, and that one's done. So let's move on to the next part of the video, which will be the fronts. So I've carefully placed the camera on top of my roof, and just on the corner of this shot I'm going to remove the other ones. Like I say in a previous video, I've shown that these basically push forward on a spindle that sits on the arm of the wiper arm. Bit of difficulty with this one, but as I say, and then I'm just carefully placing it down. Normally I put a piece of card or a cloth under the actual arm itself, but I was in a bit of a hurry, as I say, despite how it looks. It was actually very windy this day when I filmed this, and I wasn't actually going to release this video, but it's content, isn't it? And hopefully it will help with the channel and help with things grow. So in a moment I will reappear on screen, hopefully with the new ones. Maybe today, who knows, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, again, to replace them on the actual arms, dead simple. You can see at the bottom center of the screen, actually at the end of the arm, is the spindle that they literally just push on. There's no click, no retaining, it's just the tiny part of the bracket of the end of the arm that keeps them in their place, which is, yeah, again, something you can do by the side of the road that saves messing around with the old type of U-hook clips. I can't remember if I showed you on another car I had, but yeah, like I say, push them on with a fan bit, and that's it. Dead simple. Onto the smaller one. Obviously on the Focus ST the longer blade is on the driver's side to give a clearer bit of vision. So let's move on to the next part of the video. So as it's winter time, I was going to top up my screen wash with a recognised brand here. I'm explaining that the scent is actually berry, so when you drive along and you squirt it you can smell berries. This also shows you the mix ratio because this is a concentrate that you dilute. So in this bit I'm actually putting my funnel into the screen wash reservoir. I'm probably going to wander off for a couple of minutes, go and find my screen wash that I showed you in the previous clip, and then I shall pour it into the actual funnel. I'm pouring this in neat because obviously I dilute this actually in the reservoir of the car rather than mix it out of the car. I suspect my ratio is about 50-50, which does help it go down to an extreme minus something or another. At this point you'll be getting Berio of overload. It's really nice smell, but try not to spill any. Yeah, so that's the actual concentrate screen wash gone in. And yeah, let's move on to the next part of my video. So in this part, I've got my bottle of water. I tend to keep a container of pure water around. I know the size of the container, so it's easy to work out the mix. As I say, I was aiming for about a 50-50, but I'm going to, yeah, just keep pouring, as they say. But that's pretty much all I had salvageable of this video due to adverse weather, microphone issues, and a bit of wind, as they say. But next episode is going to be a little bit special because some things are going to happen with the focus. So I shall join you in a future episode. And again, it's a very brief video, but as always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button.